guys? I have just started my YouTube channel and I was hoping to just get a good start on it. And I'm doing it about Hunter Call the Wild. It's called at Luke Outdoors. And it's about just me going like fishing, hunting, and playing Hunter Call the Wild. And I always want to start out with playing Hunter Call the Wild. So Um, I'm probably gonna start with Histerfield. That's what all my friends call it. So I'm calling it that because I don't know any other way to call it. But oh yeah, I'm gonna start with this and see what we can get. I'm hoping to get some like red deer or fallow deer, something like that. And then I might go to like Layton Lake. But let's see. Where I'm headed to, I get lots of bees coming in at seconds. Like, it's crazy. Probably not seconds, but I'm over exaggerating a lot. Okay, I already have it. Okay, now. Okay, got it. Okay, got my goose call. Yes. So, I'm probably gonna start with bees. I'm gonna check on my feeders first. If there's no animals at the feeder, then I wanna go geese. Speaking of geese, that's what it's called. Oh, never mind. Heading this way, seeing if I can find any animals. No, I didn't see any animals over at that here. See if it's empty. Why is it? Okay. Yeah, okay, got it. It's good. Okay. Just checking it. Okay, let's see. Don't see anything, but I'm gonna get up on this hill. Look, it's just right in this field over there. Okay, here. Yeah, nothing. I'm gonna go check the here where I was in a little bit, but first, I'm gonna call them geese. Which one is mine? Okay, 7. Okay. Now we just sit here, call them some geese, and we blast them. Okay. So I don't have any like special geese hunting times, so I just really lay down and call them in. So don't come in just a minute or so. I'm going to go just check all my other feeders. And
I saw some tracks in that area earlier this morning. Hold on, I'll send the coordinates.
what got me. Oh, I did get that goose, I think. Oh, I actually got that too. Okay, cool. So, yeah, just hit that like and subscribe and share this to anybody you know. Because I'm trying to get a good start on my YouTube channel. Okay, well, let's get back to it. Let's see. Okay, wool silvers, nothing really special. I can't believe I hit that thing. Okay, nothing special. Okay, I'm gonna head over here a little ways. See what I can see. Because my feeder is just right over here. And hopefully there's some red deer, fallow deer, any kind of those. Anything I can get my, anything I can shoot really would be great. I think this is pheasant kind of tracks. Or fox. No, these are fox. Yeah. That's an interesting. Okay. These a little note. So yeah, my feeder's just right down in here. I just have to get up on this hill because I'm far away from them, and I can be on, and I can get a good look at them. There's nothing there. I think I've lost my feeding zones. Yeah, it's been completely shot out. I don't think any more animals are coming there. I'm just trying to think. Am I gonna go more goose hunting? This might just be a goose hunting video. Goose hunting video. Okay, let's see. Yeah, we might just go goose hunting. It's fox. Yeah, it's still fox. Okay, let's see if we can follow me more. Oh, perfect. Hopefully I can call in some of you guys so I can. I've always wanted to get like a diamond or something, but I don't think that's possible. Oh, there's a pheasant. I'm not shot at a pheasant. It'd be cool to get one. Yeah, so this might just be a bird hunting session right now. So yeah, we might just do that, and I might go to Layton Lake to go duck hunting in a second. If we get one, that would be pretty cool. I like duck hunting for like all those mallards. Okay, let's see if we can find any pheasants around here. I think this is like, yeah, this is red deer. Yep. Where is shoot them. Are those pheasants? I think those are pheasants. Oh, here we go. Okay. I'm gonna try to blast them. Okay, there's some right over here. I'm just gonna run up on them because I want them to fly. Because you can't ground shoot them. And there's also, I don't know if anybody knows, but there's also bullet drop in the wild. All three, baby. Let's go. This one. Nice bronze. Right in the stomach. Okay. Where's this guy? There we go. Another bronze. Not grounded. Nice. This is the one I'm worried about. This guy might be the grounded guy. Yep, grounded. He was still barely on the ground taking off. The other guy went away. But maybe he was also cool. Okay. Now we might put the might put get a little bit more pheasants. Oh, that'd be cool. I like that. Fake birds. Don't do anything. pheasant hunting in real life, and I find it very fun. And it is because I live on a farm. We have a tree row, and I just like pheasant hunting in real life. So it's fun when you can do it on video game when it's not season. Oh, what's that? I might take these over the pheasants, maybe. If there's a male. Yeah, there's a male. Take it. It's a small 5. Oh my goodness. Not so good with my modern. What the heck? There's pheasants right there. Man, he was right there. I've only had, in real life, I've only had that happen once where they like jump up right in front of you into the snow. It's crazy. I don't think that's happened like once in this game before. I'm not think there's pheasants right there. Let's see, okay. I think I hit him good. I'm hoping if I didn't hit him, that would be crazy. Okay, let's see. Okay, yeah, I got him good. Yeah, blast him. Nice. Nice little level 5. Aerial right over here. Cool. It's another male right here down. I don't know. I find that rack a little bit cool, or it's just normal. I don't really play this game that much, but yeah, pretty cool. I have a tactical level 7. Nothing too fancy. Don't see anything. It's fun. Okay. Well, let's keep the move on. If we don't find any pheasants in a few minutes, we'll move to duck hunting. So I don't mind duck hunting. Take a little bit. So if you guys like, I'm just gonna tell you, it might take a little bit to calm ducks because I don't have any decoys on. The only like things I have is feeders, four-wheeler, and modern gun tack. So don't judge, please. Don't have anything fancy. I might get some better stuff later on. Some glasses look like that. Don't see any around or any calls. After that gunshot, I'm sorry, nothing gave me a call. After all the goose shots I just did. Sorry, I keep saying geese. I forget sometimes. And, oh. What? Take it out on you, bird sharp. Let's take a white bird now. Those are all complete AI. And then as soon as they touch the ground, they're gone. Well, everything in this game is AI, but like, they're not real birds that you can shoot. When I first started this game, I would go in and try to shoot those white birds, and I'll be like, oh, yeah, I got one! And I would look at the ground, and like, where'd it go? I would take so long looking for it. So I was completely new. I've never played that game before. I'm probably gonna head to Layton now. To see if we can call in any ducks. This might take a little bit, so I'm probably not gonna take a little bit, just I don't want you guys to like, no, why to hit new game? Never new game. Don't ever hit new game. I'm telling you that right now. Don't ever. And we're gonna hunt anything we see. Don't ever hit new game. I'm telling you guys that right now. If somebody doesn't know, you guys will regret that decision instantly. It resets your money. It resets everything. Okay, let's see. Storage. Put the shotgun, everything. Now we need lures. Dot B deluxe color. Okay, let's go. Okay. Inventory. Ammo size lures. Let's do this one. Ducks. I hopefully we can. I don't know how long this is gonna take, but really, we're gonna shoot anything that we can see. Why am I down here? My feeders are like right. Let me fast travel real quick. Yeah, it's right there. This spot's way better. I'm probably gonna scare anything because anything I pass because I'm fast traveling over to it where my feeders are. But hopefully I don't, and because I got some feeders. I got like a moose and a deer, plus my feeder in this one area. Oh, and elk. So if there's nothing there, I'm gonna go do twice. This one's moose, deer, and feeder. There. This one's elk, moose, and yeah, deer. There's a little bit more. But I know there's something over here. I got a special place for duck hunting. It's just right down here. I always get lots of ducks there. But I might have hunted it out. I'm just gonna look over it. See if I can see anything. And yeah, so yeah, I'm just happy that because I've always wanted to create a YouTube channel, and I've never really been. My mom and dad never really said I could until now. It's pretty cool. Because yeah, it was just really cool that I could do this. Because I've always wanted to, but back in the okay, let's see. There's nothing over here. There's nothing over here. Yeah, there's nothing over there. There's a little moose right here over here. Nothing, okay. Oh.
You know, I spotted some tracks earlier, close to where you're at right now. I'll send the coordinates.
Making sure it's my shotgun. Hold on. Okay, got it. I was kind of hiding in the weeds and see if I can call in the ducks, but I'm not gonna just place my feet. I'm gonna see if I'm in the right spot. I'm in between both of them. Let's be. I'm gonna check it out. Hold on, let me just like this might be. You start seeing any ducks? I get a whole bunch of ducks, then all of a sudden it's storming and I get no ducks. It's so weird. I don't know if it's like super realistic like that because it storms and ducks don't like to come in when it's storming. Oh, well, ooh, coyote, let's go. I've never shot a coyote, I don't think. So those coyotes are everywhere, but I've never shot a coyote. It's crazy. Like I've seen mini coyotes. They're just so crazy. They always go away. Oh, it's anytime I get close, they're just running, gone instantly, just sprinting off. And it's annoying because I've always wanted to get a coyote. Hopefully upgrade my. I've always wanted to get a great one something. Never, I've gotten close, like level 8. 9 or 10. 10 is but I've been on the multiplayer maps. That's level 8. There was this one guy that was on the multiplayer map, and I was hunting around with people who were climbing melanistic and a great one. same herd. Okay, no. I would have blasted with my shotgun if I was close enough. I like shooting rabbits with my shotgun. It's really fun. It's like almost sport killing. I don't want to call it sport killing, but that's, I don't know. It's not nice. Not nice. No, I don't know. Let's see. I might make my turkey decoys out here. I don't think there's any turkeys though, but I'll see. You know, there might be. If there's any turkeys, I'll go. They're also a fun bird to hunt. I wonder what kind of level that coyote was. Let's see how I did not get that coyote. See all my decoys. Don't think there's anything. Calling them turkeys is not easy. Don't see anything up pink, but I keep walking around the pond area and keep in mind, guys, this is my first video, so it's probably gonna be quite lame. I don't know, but because I've never done a YouTube channel, I'm just trying to figure it out. But let's keep looking. Don't see anything weird. Oh. Turkeys, they're coming, I have no idea. Right around here. I'm keep my shotgun out just in case he starts coming. He'd be alive. Thought I saw something going across there. Don't see here. I'm gonna start sprinting. Oh, hi. No, just that one. The other one flew away. Oh, the ducks. Get that back in there. What the heck? Oh, there we go. Ducks. I'm gonna do my elk call probably once or twice. See if I can get any elks to come in. That'll be cool. I like elk hunting a lot. So, I think it's 6. Yeah. Not bad. A little silver, but I mean, it's terrible. Last one over there? I feel like I placed a feeder right? I sure did. That's where the elks come in. Right there. So far, I think we've gotten a goose, a pheasant, a turkey, now I'm missing a duck. I can't remember if there's any other birds on any of these maps, but it'd be cool like to knock out every bird we have on all my maps. But I only have like Medvetega, Layton Lake, and Hedgerfield. Oh, that's what I call it. But yeah, so I think that's all the birds though. I'll keep looking over here. Don't see anything. did not. Why am I grabbing my L call? What the heck is wrong with me? If you grab that, I mean, you think that's gonna do anything. Duck? What a duck call. I think this might be all for today, guys. I think this will be my first video, and I don't think I'm gonna go hunting for ducks because I'm probably gonna have to go soon. But I will see you next time.